In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your name on Tradingview chart. By the end, you'll know two clean, reliable ways to display your name or username on your charts, so it looks professional and stays readable without covering key price action. First, let's use the built-in text tool, which is the quickest way to add a simple signature. On the left-hand drawing toolbar, look for the T icon labeled text. Click it once, then click directly on the spot in your chart where you want your name to appear. Many people prefer a lower corner so it doesn't interfere with candles or indicators. A small text box will open. Type your name or username exactly as you want it to show before you confirm. Take a moment to style it so it matches your chart. Adjust the font size so it's readable at your usual zoom level. Pick a color with enough contrast against your background. And if needed, enable a subtle background fill to separate the text from the chart. When you are happy, click OK. That places a neat, fixed label on your chart. If it looks too bold or too faint, you can reopen the same text settings at any time and fine-tune the size, color, or background. Keeping it modest and off to the side typically looks most professional. Now, if you want a more persistent label that can behave like a watermark or sit in a specific area consistently, try a custom indicator. Open the Indicators menu at the top of Tradingview. In the search bar, type watermark. You'll see community scripts designed to overlay custom text. Choose one that specifically supports user-defined text. After adding it to your chart, open the Indicator settings. In the text or input field, enter your name or username. Then customize its appearance, set the placement to center, right, or left, and adjust color and size to suit your theme. A mid-gray or slightly transparent color often works well so your label is visible but not distracting. If you trade across different timeframes, glance through a couple to confirm the label remains readable without overpowering your chart. Both methods are useful. The text tool is perfect for a quick signature you can position precisely, while a watermark style indicator gives you a consistent, polished label that stays put as you navigate the chart. Choose the one that fits your workflow and visual style. Make small adjustments until it looks clean and you are all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy making your Tradingview charts uniquely yours.